of them and then bring them back.
Oh, you're gonna build the trusses or?
Yeah, the plan calls for, it has details on it for hand building them. You don't wanna wait for trusses, they're 6 months.
Yeah, I know,
If it's not a whole house, it's better to build them.
yeah, I didn't know if they, right, all right, thanks guys. That was burned on the inside. I thought that the,
What's that?
no, I'm talking to the camera. I thought that hole was just knocked in by the firemen from the outside, but I see it was burned from the inside.
Brian was saying, the guy has more concrete down in it and everything, and he thought it would be finished next week.
Yeah, that's fine. Well, they're tearing out the burned unit finally. That scaffolding is in our living room, meaning the unit on the right. And it's right up against the block firewall. This is the edge of the siding on the front of the house. But look at here. This has got to be adjusted. Right there, it's got a 1 by something underneath underneath the rough sawn plywood, the rough sawn veneer plywood. Where the old block is that was not removed, it changes, and then as they just push the side, they push the plywood in. So that needs to be evened up. And then when they get up top here, then there's no 1 by. It's just a big hole, and then the plywood goes from to going up to press against the block wall. This house, I never knew it, but it has insulation under the stucco on the outside. It's too bad. I like the idea of using bats. Well, since this neighbor is being slow or non-existent about their remodel, we had to water seal our firewall on the neighbor's side so we could put drywall inside our house. The cap for the chimney's been measured and should be on any day. The fence was pressure washed, and I got a guy coming to replace the hinges on 2 gates and the latches and straighten everything up and replace a couple boards here and there. The new siding is painted. We'll do the floor on the screen porch and the screen on our dime, and these 4 insulated French door insert on the master bedroom and here in the living room. So we're ready for drywall. He's going to do the can lights and the kitchen ceiling after the drywall's up, and maybe even after the cabinets are up, so help establish the layout. So by the time they got to the neighbor's other side of the burn unit, I guess they had their crew leader back, and hers looks perfect.